Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you how to get blur effect for your picture by Picsart application. So the first thing you have to do, open your Picsart application and you just need to jump from home section into this plus button to start the editing. And after that you just need to go click this plus button with the see all information to access your picture on your phone. And after that you just need to choose which picture that you want to edit. And after you find one, you just need to go click it. And after that, to get a blur effects, you just need to jump into this effects and go into the blur section. And there will be like several options of blurry effects that you can use. So you can access the free effects by choosing the effects that have no try signs on it. You can do a pixelized, you can also do the radial blur, or you can also use the focal zooms or just a regular blur. And after you're done choosing the blur effect, you can also adjusting the intensity of the effects that you use. If you want to make it like super blur, you can just drag it into the right side. If you want to make it less blur, you just need to drag it into the left side. You can also make a fade, means that these effects will be like blend with the original picture. If you want to make it blended, just need to drag into the right side, so the blur effect will be like slowly blend with the original pictures. And whenever you're done adjusting it, you just need to go click this apply button. And now this picture is ready to be saved by click this part. And that's the way how to create or get a blur effect on your picture by Picsart. So if you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.